All right, hey, what's up, guys? This is Gooniac. We're in the quarantine season because of this crazy ass corona, as we all know. So I'm not at my usual flying site. I'm at a place called Rancho, which is pretty close to my house, about 10-15 minutes away, but it's limited with what we can fly. We can only fly small electric airplanes, prop planes, not even pushers, and they have to be slow, 55 miles an hour and under a certain weight, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I have this plane. This is my Gee Bee. This is a Dynam Gee Bee. It's been modified, believe it or not. I took out the original motor because I was tired of the Dynam motor just eating up the battery so much. It was pretty good, but I was able to order one from Nitro Planes. This is a rocket motor, really low kV. I think it's 650 kV, maybe even lower. But the main reason for doing that is so I could run a big prop. This is a 14 by 12 prop. So on a 3000 pack, 3004S, this plane will fly for about 9 to 10 minutes. But it still has unlimited vertical, really quiet, and it's just a lot of fun. If you do touch and goes with less power, it'll fly for even longer. So that's the main modification. But there's some other little things I did too. I added a light system to it. It was actually a couple different things. It would do lights. On. And I have it on a switch.
Off. On.
So you can see the lights underneath too, right there.
Off.
Now that would also work as an igniter for a smoke system that I would use on here sometimes too. But I'm probably not going to do that with this anymore. But there's a couple other things that I did too. Let me get the throttle kill.
Off.
So that I can flip it over.
Gyro initialized. Throttle cut.
All right, so let's flip it over. Two things. So number one of the
time remaining 8 minutes.
One of
40
the spots
seconds.
that are the most the weakest on this plane is the tail. If you notice, that tail is not moving. So basically what I did was I put a bead of hot glue here, basically in all the corners. It's the same as putting triangle stock, like what you do on a balsa plane. Stiffened up the tail. And another thing it's notorious for is having landing gear that fall off. So I did the same sort of thing with a bead of hot glue in all the corners, and that stiffened those up really good. So now it doesn't flop around. Let's get to one other thing. I'll open it up so you can see inside. So inside there's the battery. It's a Gen Z's 3000. I can use a 4000 as well, not 4S. But there's a LemonRX gyro in there that I just set up. There's a satellite right there. There's a pilot that I painted to look a little bit like me. The wife actually painted that. Let's get the lights on.
On.
And it lights up, so when it lights up, you can see it.
Off.
So it needs a paint job, but oh, and that's right there. So this is my safety switch for when I had the smoke system in. This breaks the circuit. So if I pull that out, it won't work. But I leave it in right now because it's for the lights. But it needs a paint job, so I think I'm going to paint it. But it's a fun little plane to fly. It's even better with a gyro now. So that's it. I also reinforced these. I put a little bit more glue here because these things come loose with the mounts. There's glue in there too to make these tight. I also glued the center of the wing to make it stronger. But this thing's pretty beat up, but it still flies amazing. You wouldn't believe that it actually had nosed in once before. But it flies really good. You can see in the videos. So if you got any questions, shoot me a little comment there in the bottom. Like and subscribe, of course. And if you want some notifications when I upload stuff, because I upload stuff a lot, click the bell. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.